You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You've just been using the wrong recipe for success. Let me show you how to fix that. Think about it. Just like baking the perfect cake, staying motivated takes the right ingredients, the right steps, and just the right timing. You wouldn't expect a cake to rise without baking powder, so why expect your motivation to stay strong without the right formula? In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step guide, like a cookbook for motivation, that'll help you create and keep the drive you've been looking for. Ready to dig in? Let's face it, motivation feels impossible to hold on to sometimes. One day, you're on fire, ready to take on the world, and the next, you're binge-watching shows, avoiding the pile of tasks staring at you. Sound familiar? The problem isn't that you're unmotivated, it's that you're relying on willpower alone. And here's the thing, willpower is like a snack, not a full meal. It runs out fast. That's why you need a recipe, a structured approach to feed your motivation every day. All right, let's get into the kitchen of motivation and break down the recipe. First, we need to prep the essentials: clarity, purpose, and small wins. Ingredient 1, clarity. Think of clarity as your recipe card. Without it, you're guessing measurements, mixing the wrong things, and ending up with a big mess. To stay motivated, you need a clear vision of what you want. Not "I want to be successful." That's too vague. Instead, try something specific. "I want to write 1 chapter of my book this week," or "I want to save $500 this month." Specific goals give your brain a target to lock onto. Write it down. Post it where you can see it. Make it real. Ingredient 2, purpose. Why are you even cooking this up in the first place? Purpose is the secret flavor that keeps you coming back for more. When things get tough, and they will, your purpose will remind you why you started. Maybe it's your family, your health, or proving to yourself that you can do it. Whatever it is, make it personal. Motivation thrives when there's an emotional connection. Ingredient 3, small wins. Ever notice how a little taste test gets you excited to keep going? Small wins are like that. Break your big goals into bite-sized pieces. Instead of, "I need to lose 50 pounds, start with, "I'll drink water instead of soda today." Celebrate every small win, because they build momentum like breadcrumbs, leading you to the bigger picture. Okay, now we've got our ingredients. Let's mix them together with some actionable strategies. 1. Set a morning ritual. Mornings set the tone for the day. Start with one simple habit: journaling, stretching, or even just making your bed. These small actions send a signal to your brain: we're in control today. Over time, this ritual becomes the spark that lights your motivational fire. 2. Visualize the end result. Close your eyes and imagine achieving your goal. Feel the emotions: pride, excitement, relief. This isn't woo-woo, it's neuroscience. When you visualize success, your brain believes it's possible, which makes it easier to stay motivated. 3. Accountability partners. Share your goals with someone who will cheer you on and call you out when you slack off. Whether it's a friend, a coach, or an online community, accountability keeps you on track. 4. Guard your energy. Motivation is directly tied to your energy levels. Sleep well, eat clean, and move your body. Think of these as the stove that keeps your motivation cooking. Skip them, and you're working with a cold pan. Here's where it all comes together: the golden moment, when you take consistent action and see results. Motivation isn't about big, flashy changes. It's about showing up daily, even when you don't feel like it. That's the secret most people miss. Success is built on boring, consistent effort. But once you see those first signs of progress, that's when the fire ignites, and you realize, I can do this. Motivation isn't magic. It's a recipe you can follow, adjust, and perfect over time. Clarity, purpose, and small wins are the foundation. Add in daily habits, visualization, accountability, and energy management, and you've got everything you need to keep going, even when life gets tough. You don't need to feel motivated to start. You just need the right recipe. Now, go ahead and hit subscribe, share this with a friend, and visit reachingourdestiny.com. It's the perfect side dish to today's recipe. We are reaching our destiny. Thanks for watching. See you next time.